Well, good evening, everyone. This is Mike Bass back again with another forecast update for you for this December the 19th, 2025. I'm hoping everybody had a great Friday out there so far. Everybody has a great Friday evening. Hope everybody continue to stay safe and well and also enjoy the weather. Got the only weather you got. Okay, in tonight's video, we're going to be taking a look at the lower 48 and the storm system moving across the country. So let's go ahead and get on into that first, and we're going to take a look at it. You can see one storm system here up here from New Brunswick all the way through Newfoundland, all the way into the Atlantic coastal water down toward excuse me, to the central Gulf. All that continued to push on to the east as that's a cold front that moved through the area earlier this morning. Alright, we got more activity across the central and western U.S. from areas of Iowa back towards northern California, down towards Arizona, New Mexico, northern Texas, Oklahoma. More activity up towards Wisconsin, Minnesota, also over towards Montana, and over towards South Canada and southwestern Canada as well. Alrighty, if you have not subscribed to my channel, make sure you subscribe, also like these videos, share these videos, and let's continue to get the show on the road there, folks. And thank you for tuning in to the Mike Bass Weather Forecast channel. Greatly appreciate it, and make sure you subscribe if you have not already. Alright, we got snow flying from up here in New Brunswick to Maine to northern portion of Vermont, New Hampshire, southeast Canada, around Ottawa and Toronto, Canada region. Also over here toward Lake Harry, Lake Superior, also in the northern Michigan, Wisconsin. You've got mixed precipitation there as well. Western New York State, northwestern Pennsylvania, through Michigan to Wisconsin, through northeast Iowa, northern Illinois. We got shower activity down there from Tennessee to Alabama to Mississippi to Arkansas, Louisiana, East Texas. Thunderstorms and showers along the Gulf Coast, right along the coastal areas of southeast Texas, southern Louisiana. Shower activity for the eastern coastal areas of Florida. More shower activity from California to Washington State and Oregon areas as well, right along coastal portions of that area also. We got pockets of heavy snow over portions of Colorado, Utah, Montana, Idaho, Washington State as well. Even got some mixed precipitation there as well. Straight from Washington, Oregon, Idaho, Montana, California, Nevada, Utah, Wyoming, and also in the portions of Colorado. Otherwise, expect dry high pressure to remain in charge of your local forecast area for your Saturday. Alright, let's move on to your Sunday forecast now. And it should roll out something like this here. Alright, we still waiting. Should be. Alright, here we go. We got snow flying from New Brunswick to Maine to New Hampshire to New York State. Up here around Lake Harry, Lake Superior, northern Michigan. More snow flying from Illinois to Indiana. Portions of, let's see, Wisconsin, Iowa, Minnesota, South Dakota, a little bit of southern North Dakota. Thunderstorms and shower from Alabama to Mississippi to Arkansas, Louisiana, Texas, and the northern Gulf. Shower along the east coast of Florida down toward the Florida Keys. With some heavy rain and flash flooding over portions of northern California, with shower activity from California and coastal areas of Washington, Oregon State. Got some pockets of heavy snow over portions of Washington, northern Idaho, central Idaho, and portions of western Wyoming. Mixed precipitation across portions of Colorado, Wyoming, Utah to Montana to Idaho to Nevada, California, Oregon, and Washington states as well. Otherwise, expect dry high to remain in charge of your local forecast area for your Sunday. Alright, let's move on to the current watch and warning advisory map you're locating across the nation. And it should roll out something like this here. Here we go. I'm still waiting on it. Now. Alright, here we go. We got wind advisory, high wind warning stretching from Maine to New Hampshire, Vermont, down to Massachusetts, Connecticut, Rhode Island, New York State, Pennsylvania, down toward Delaware, D.C., toward also over toward West Virginia, Virginia. Even got some winter weather advisory for portion of New York State. Even got some special weather statement for portion of Pennsylvania, also in the portion of Ohio and also West Virginia. Frost advisory for southeastern areas of Georgia and northern Florida. We got some winter weather advisory for portion of Minnesota. Wind advisories over here in areas of North Dakota, Nevada, and California. And also portion of Washington and Oregon states. Also got some red flag warnings for Colorado back into areas of Nebraska. High wind warnings also in effect for portions of Nebraska, Colorado, Wyoming, Montana, Idaho, and southwestern Wyoming. Winter storm warnings also in effect for a few pockets across the following states. Across portions of Colorado, Utah, Wyoming, Montana, Idaho, Washington, Oregon State. You've got some flood watches there as well. Stretching into California, you've got some winter storm warnings there as well. Cold weather advisory for a couple counties in the northeastern portion of Montana. Alright, smoke craft advisory, gale warning from Maine all the way down to the South Carolina coast. You got some storm warnings in the purple there. Also same for, got some smoke craft advisory for Southern California to Washington State. Hawaii Chain Island look good. Some around the Alaska region with some freeze and spray warnings. To the north we have some blizzard warnings and some winter weather advisories. Alright, Storm Prediction Center outlook. Should roll out something like this here. Just know we're not expecting any thunderstorm forecast for day 3, and there was none for day 2 either. So we just picked day 3. Alright, snowfall totals over the next 16 days. Looks to be the heaviest precipitation for southeast Canada, stretching in Newfoundland, New Brunswick, the Maine, New Hampshire, Vermont, New York State, portion of Pennsylvania, over toward Michigan, over toward areas of Wisconsin. Then more activity for Colorado, Wyoming, Utah, Nevada, also a portion of Wyoming, Montana, Idaho, Washington, Oregon State, California, southwestern Canada. You can see some activity across South Canada as well, and some snow, just light snow accumulations over portions of Virginia. A little bit over mountains, West Virginia might get up to a 6, maybe a few inches of snow, up to 6 inches possible. Elsewhere, just kind of maybe around an inch or 2, or dusting in some areas from central U.S. to the north, but pretty much for the southeast, south, and southwestern, no snow at this time. So, alright, well, I hope everybody enjoyed the video. Make sure you subscribe if you have not. Like the video, share the video. We'll catch you back in the next one. Have a wonderful Friday evening, folks. Take care. Those that enjoy the weather, because the only weather you got.